Definitely trying to track something. Yeah, definitely something maybe died this side that he's caught his scent. He seems now to be convinced that whatever that he was smelling is behind the fence.
Getting some video. It's driving and it might be late.
On my jacket. See, they don't have elephants on the left. See how the vegetation is thick. All the trees and the bushes, look how open it is here. So, if you are a tree person, you'll say, oh no, the trees have been pushed over. But I was here with an ecologist, a very highly qualified ecologist, and they said, but look, there's no grass there. So there's more grass where the elephants push the trees. So the grazers like the buffalo and the waterbuck.
Stations, I will be stopping for coffee on the junction of Nyala, Moscow Cut Line and Loop Road.
So if you are, it's quite debatable because once upon a time everything was open. But maybe this is too little because no elephants is unrealistic. And maybe this is too much because now we've got these big numbers and we've got water holes. And water holes attract elephants, so therefore we're impacting the environment. You know what was the natural control for elephant numbers in nature? So in the dry season, elephants would move from one water hole to another. And then the little calves that are suckling, they survive because their mother can feed them with milk. But the weaned calves can't walk that far because every impala, every kudu, every other animal is competing with them. And the mommy's not giving them milk anymore. So then the weaned calves would die between water holes in the dry season. And that's what kept elephant numbers down naturally. So all the artificial water holes that we all have at lodges and game reserves are the reason why the elephants' numbers are going up and up and up. And it's, however, if we don't have water holes, we can't really view animals, and then we don't have tourism. So it's quite a tough moral and environmental dilemma, because then if the water holes are close enough that a weaned elephant calf can always make it, then the elephant population and therefore the tree impact is directly our it's our fault. It's our fault. So we have caused it. Same in Botswana, same in Zimbabwe. You know, you do social programs where you drop boreholes for rural communities because it's nice to help people. But then it attracts elephants and you get human-animal conflict.